Okay guys, Garage Maxed out here. I got in a big box of E7240 laptops. I'm going to show you how to replace the hard drive on this. Before I do, if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. This model is a little bit different than a normal laptop in that it uses an mSATA format hard drive, or solid state drive I should say. If you have one that's missing one, you maybe bought some off-lease units like I did, or maybe yours came with a 32 gig or 64 gig, which is pretty common with this form factor, and you want to upgrade it. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade it to a 256 gigabyte unit I actually bought mine off of Amazon, but you can get them anywhere. I'll throw some links in the description for you. And it's a really easy procedure. So let's go ahead and jump in. It'll probably take you under a minute to do it. It's a really easy job on this laptop that made it super simple for us.
Okay, first remove the battery. And mine is a off corporate lease, so my screws are missing here. However, there are two screws on this model right here that you'll remove. And then you'll slide this cover down. And once it's slid down, you can just remove it. And then to upgrade the solid state drive, the hard drive in this, it's an mSATA form factor. And there will be one screw that you'll remove to pull the drive out. And I bought this upgrade kit on Amazon. I think it's currently the lowest priced one that you can get, but the speeds are really good on this. I actually haven't used the brand yet, but we're gonna try it out, see how the longevity is. You'll put it in at a 45-degree angle, just like that. And it seats a lot easier than RAM, so you don't need to like really force it in there. You'll kind of feel it click, and then you'll push it down. Cool thing about this upgrade kit is it actually comes with the screws. So if yours is like mine and it's missing a couple of screws here and there, getting a kit like this is definitely good. And then you just replace the screw right here. And that's it. That's all you have to do on this one. There's no caddy, there's nothing like that. You can go ahead and replace the cover and install or restore your operating system. Don't forget, if you have screws on yours, go ahead and replace them here. And then put the battery back in. And that's it. That's all you have to do on this model.